Hey everybody, it's your pal the Drone Trucker on the Truck Pass channel. Hey, today I want to talk about multiple weather conditions. And what I mean about multiple weather conditions is, as a truck driver, you may go through different types of weather conditions. If it's snow, rain, sleet, ice, sunshine, high winds. But I will say, I was in Georgia with this load, and it was like almost 80 degrees. So I was bringing this load up to Goshen, Indiana, and I get up probably just north of Indianapolis, and what happens? I'll show you here in a second. So with that being said, always prepare for different weather conditions. Have warm clothes, make sure you have plenty of water on board, supplies, food. Make sure, because you never know, you may be going up from nice weather to a location like this and a massive blizzard hits, and now you have no food in your truck because you didn't prepare. So that's another thing. I'm going to do another video on what type of supplies to have and everything like that. So stay tuned for more. There's more videos coming up. Be safe. Keep the door shut. And this is what happens. Snow in April up in Indiana. So there are times that you're going to run in from nice weather to really crappy weather.